Alright, fuck it, I'll fix the host issue another time, but anyway, let's get on with the installation. Now we need to set everything up to basically allow us to install a desktop environment. So I only just realised that the last part was like nearly 40 minutes long, so I'm going to cut this one quite short, and then next time we'll install the desktop environment, but this should be a fairly quick part anyway. So let's get on with it. First things first, I can guarantee since I've rebooted, I'll need to run dhcp-cd. Yeah, there we go. To get it working, I'll just ping google.com. Did I spell that right? Okay, it doesn't matter, it's working anyway. So Control-C stops that. Clear. Pacman dash capital S and then YY, which will update. There we go. It's going to go through an update. There we go, done. And then we're going to run the same again, except instead of dash Y, it's just dash U. Okay, yeah. There is nothing to do. Okay, so it's already up to date. Clear. So now we want to run pacman, so package manager dash S, capital S, M locate, hit Y, hit enter. Okay, and then you want to run update DB. There we go, clear the screen. Now we're going to install the utilities for the sound drivers. So we're actually going to have sound. It's going to be something new. So pacman, that's capital S, and then ALSA dash utils. Yes. That shouldn't take too long to install. No, let's clear the screen again. I love the clear command. And then it's ALS mixer. ALS mixer, I'm pretty sure, oh no, that's why, ALSA mixer. There we go. And from my M, and then what did he say? Arrow up, PCM. Fucking enable them all, I think. What does that mean? I don't know. This is all new. F5 does all of them apparently. Nice. So I'm pressing that as I'm pressing the M key and then arrowing up to arrow up. I think that's right. Just get yours to look like that, and it should be okay. Leave that unshared. Escape exits. Do we need to save? No, doesn't look like it. Escape, and then the command speaker dash test space dash C2. Speaker command not found. Did I spell speaker correctly? S-P-E-A-K-E-R. S-P-E-A-K-E-R. Yes. Command speaker was not found. Alright, fuck it then. Guess we'll find out if it doesn't work, and we'll fix it. Should work. Should be fine. Pacman dash capital S, and then now we're going to install some of the Xorg stuff. Xorg is the display manager, if you will. So Xorg dash server, and then Xorg space Xorg dash server again, but this time dash utils space Xorg dash init. No, sorry, it's X in it. Enter a number. If we just default is 1. Yep, 1. Enter. Yes. It's gonna run through and get all those. It shouldn't take long. Come on. Hopefully it doesn't do what it did last time, because now we're reaching the last steps. Once all this is set it ready and configured, we'll be installing the GUI again, and that's where everything went to shit last time, as I'm sure you remember. Okay, it's telling us that the 2 additional packages that we will install in a minute. There is a reason we're not installing them right now, and that's because there is some extra configuration we need to do before we install those. And the piece of configuration is adding the VirtualBox guest utilities so that everything will work this time. That was the one thing I didn't do last time, and that could be the very key factor as to why it's not working. So Pacman dash capital S space VirtualBox, make sure it is spelling it correctly, it's one word, dash guest dash utils. Okay, VirtualBox dash guest dash util, that's why. Default 1. Nope, actually we don't want the default, we want 2, the one that says modules arch at the end of it. And we will say yes. Okay, that's those installed. So now we need to do some mod probing, which is just changing some settings, configuration shit. You know, that's just not mod probing, it's just mod probe dash A, and then it's the VirtualBox guest. Was it? No, it was just VBox guest, and then VBox SF and VBox video. Okay, that resized that. There we go. So you can see that's actually worked. It's changed the where did my mouse go? There it is. It's changed the resolution of this. Or it had done. There we go. Put it back. Now we need to go and add them to startup so that those services will run when ArchLinux boots. So nano / etc / modules - load .d / virtual box .config. Even though I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be .config, just whatever. And now all we need to do is put in the 3 start things that we did put in there initially from the command, I mean. So we'll have VBox guest, VBox SF, and VBox video. Control X, Y, enter, clear the screen. And now we need to install those 2 dependencies along with some other stuff. So it was Pacman dash capital S, and it was xorg dash twm and xorg dash xclock, and we'll also install xterm. Yes. There we go. Look at the screen. And now, before we do that, we're going to set up a user. Before we test that works, we're going to set up a user. So, in capitals, you want editor equals lowercase nano, and then visudo. So visudo, and hit enter. Okay, that didn't work. We'll do this another way then. So we'll do nano slash etc slash sudoers. Apparently I can't spell that. Where was it? cd slash etc cd sudoers ls. Where is it stored? Unless I was spelling something wrong. Nope. Okay then. Where is it? You motherfucker. Let's do the where is command. You don't need to follow this, but now this is just me being autistic. Okay, let's try that again in root. Still the same output. I guess I fucking have to transition back then once I fucking go off and Google where it is. Never mind, I was going to the right place, but we need to install sudo first, which is why things went to shit. So pacman-s and then sudo. Yes. Very small package. Done. Clear. And then let's try the editor command again. It's here somewhere. Do 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 do. Ta-da! That's what I wanted to see. And we just need to go all the way down until we see, there it is. Wheel. Get rid of that. Control X, Y, enter. Clear. There we go. And now we will actually make the user. So it's user add -m-g users. That's the group. And then we need to specify a group within the group. Groupception. So capital G and then storage, comma, power, comma, wheel. -s. So it's space -s, and then we will use /bin / and we'll use bash since it's the easiest, space, and then the name of the user. So there we go, that's meme. Enter. Invalid username. Meme. Okay, it doesn't like, from the sounds of it. What is going on? Let's just type that again. Things went to shit there. User add -m-g users. That's capital G. And then storage, comma, power, comma, wheel, space -s /bin /bash space meme. There we go. Use made. It doesn't like capitals, but there you go. So now we need to set his password. So pswd, give him a password, and we will give him. I'm going to give him the same password I gave root. Fuck that right up. Passwords do not match. Let's try that again. God damn it, I can't type. Password updated successfully. Alright, so before we'll do it now. So if we select exit and then we try out the new user, you can see we're now logged in as the user we made. That's all well. So now if you want to run, say, pacman-s-yy, you would have to put the sudo command before it. So let's give that a test. Sudo pacman-SYY. There we go. You can do this as well. You might as well. Oh, there we go. That works. Now we're going to try the famous StartX. Would you look at that? A desktop interface. A very basic one and not the one we're going to use, but as you can see, here's our cutie little clock, QT 3.14 little clock. Two of these. Well, yeah, that's not necessary. And we just type exit. There we go, and we're out of here. So that's all set up and working. Thank fucking God. Oh yes, things are coming out swinging now, my friend. We are almost there. We are at the peak. Just right at the tip. It feels so good. Yeah, I think I'll call that an episode. Tune in next time to install more shit. Yeah.